In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Quick Text in Salesforce. Quick Text is a fantastic tool that allows you to insert predefined messages such as greetings, answers to common questions, and notes into emails, chats, and more. This can significantly streamline your communication processes and enhance productivity. So let's dive right in and get started with the setup. First, head to your Salesforce homepage. This is where you'll begin your journey towards setting up Quick Text. Once you're on the home page, look out for the Quick Settings option. Clicking on Quick Settings will open up a range of features available under your Salesforce account. It's important to remember that mastering navigation in Salesforce is key to making full use of its wide array of tools. Next, direct your attention to the Open Advanced Setup option. This is where you can access more detailed configurations within Salesforce. Think of Advanced Setup as your control panel, giving you the flexibility and the tools you need to customize your Salesforce experience to your particular needs. Now, in the Advanced Setup search bar, type in Quick Text Settings. This will guide you to the specific configurations related to Quick Text. The Settings page allows you to define how Quick Text will function within your organization. Once you've navigated to the correct settings, click on Quick Text. This takes you to the heart of Quick Text management, where you can create and organize your predefined messages. You'll notice options to share and organize Quick Text into folders, which is extremely useful for teams. By organizing Quick Text in folders, you ensure that each team or department has direct access to the templates that are most relevant to them, saving time and confusion. Additionally, there's an option to hide the Quick Text button and pop-up. This can be quite handy if you prefer a cleaner interface or if you want to prevent accidental selections. By hiding elements you don't use often, you maintain a better organized workspace, ensuring more efficiency in day-to-day operations. Now, after you've adjusted the settings according to your preferences, make sure to click on the checkbox to apply those changes. This will ensure that all your configured settings are active and ready for use. Lastly, don't forget to click on Save. Saving is crucial because it confirms and implements all the adjustments you've made. Forgetting this step might mean losing all the configurations you've just set up, so always double-check to confirm your settings are saved properly. And there you have it. With Quick Text set up, you can now efficiently manage communication across your Salesforce platform. This tool will not only save you time but also ensure consistency in your business communication. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.